Hey guys, in today's video I'll be sharing this simple and easy hair growth and hair thickening recipe with you. So I've been using this recipe on my clients here on my hair, and the results are so amazing. This recipe will get your hair to your desired length, whatever your goal is. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this product. Firstly, how to make it, and secondly, how to use it. And all you'd need to do is use it at least twice per week consistently, and guys, the result, you are going to be just blown away by the results. So this is what we'll need. You'll need mango butter. I got this mango butter off Amazon. This is the raw unrefined mango butter, and I'm just going to be using this measuring cup to show you what amount to use. So I'm going to be using 4 ounces of mango butter rather. So I'm just scooping it out. Mango butter is just so amazing. It helps to detox the hair follicle. It helps to strengthen the hair follicle. Also, it has rich vitamin A and E content, and that just make it so awesome for your scalp, for your hair follicles in general. Mango butter is awesome in protecting the strands by forming a coated barrier over it. It gets deep in the strand to moisturize it and to smooth it out, which protects the hair against breakage. And we all know, once you can protect your hair against breakage, once you can minimize the amount of breakage you get or stop your hair breakage, that means you'll be retaining so much length. I'm going to be using 4 ounces of this Jackie Quench leave-in conditioner, and this is just to moisturize the hair. This is the moisturizing ingredient in it. You can use your favorite leave-in conditioner, but I'd prefer if you use a weightless or direct weightless leave-in conditioner like the Giovanni leave-in conditioner, or this one. Usually I use Giovanni or this one. So I added 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. This is the first compressed extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to add like 15 drops of rosemary essential oil. Now, rosemary is awesome for stimulating hair growth. And then I'm going to be adding like 10 drops of cinnamon oil. Now, cinnamon oil is really good when it comes to circulation and also hair growth stimulation. It also helps inflammation. So if you have inflammation on your scalp, or if your scalp gets agitated easy, this combination of ingredients is just perfect. Now, what I love about this mixture is that it's both stimulating and sustaining in terms of moisturizing the hair. So it stimulates the hair follicles, it conditions your scalp, but at the same time it's working on your hair. It coats your hair, it moisturizes your hair, it strengthens the hair to help to protect it against breakage. So once I have all that ingredients in, I'm just going to take my handheld mixer and mix until it's smooth. Now I'm just whipping it up. It took a while, but you want to make sure that you whip it until it is nice and smooth. I was in a hurry because I had to go back to work, guys. So mine wasn't the smoothest as could be, but you all get what I'm trying to say. On a normal day, it would have been much creamier and much smoother had I not been hurrying. But guys, this combination, I tell you, if you use this product at least twice per week, it can be more depending on how dry your hair is, depending on the needs of your hair. But if you use this product, I won't promise you that you will grow an inch within a week. No, that's not realistic. But what I do promise you is that your hair will become healthier, your strands will become thicker, and your strands will be protected from breakage. So in a short time, you'll definitely be retaining a lot more length than what you used to retain. And retaining length, because length retention is key. Your hair will always grow at the rate that it is growing, unless you're not taking care of yourself, eating properly or whatnot. So length retention is key. Once you can get a product that actually helps you to retain length, your hair will definitely get longer. So once you whip it up, I'm going to be using it on my clients here today because I already did mine. I already did mine before I decided to make this video, and my hair doesn't need a dose right now. So my client here is freshly washed and her hair is still damp. Now you can use this product on freshly washed hair, and you can repeat this process during the week without washing the hair as well. So I'm just ensuring that I warm it up with my hand, and that will help to melt the remaining clumps that I did not whip out. Like I said, guys, make sure that you whip this thing out smooth. If not, it is still okay. It will melt away in your hair with the heat if you choose to blow dry. If not, it will eventually vanish. You see, this product is really light, and that makes it great for persons with low porosity hair, just the same as high porosity hair. It's really light, and I like the fact that it is super moisturizing. Like, the hair feels so good after applying this product. You guys definitely need to try this out, and let me know in the comment section when you do. If you're going to try it out, let me know what leave-in conditioners you use. And also, I choose to use olive oil because of the benefits that it has, and the way how light it is, and how how it really sits on the hair. But you can use your favorite oil. If olive oil is not your favorite oil, you can use your favorite oil like sweet almond oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, whatever oils you choose to use, but follow the same measurement. So it is 4 ounces of mango butter to 4 ounces of your favorite leave-in conditioner, 2 ounces of your oil. Add your essential oils, your few drops of essential oils, and add some vitamin E oil. Your vitamin E oil, I use like 1 tablespoonful of vitamin E oil. I judge it based on that. Whip it all together. The vitamin E oil, do not skip that. If you skip anything else, do not skip the vitamin E oil. That is just great for your scalp and for your hair in general. These combination, guys, it is important that you get the right combination. Like I said, with the leave-in conditioner, ensure that it's a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I prefer if you use the Giovanni Light Direct leave-in conditioner. When I can't get access to that, I'll use the Quench because it's also very light, and I find that it's also very moisturizing when combined with these other products. So this is the result after applying it, and this is the result after fully blowing out the client's natural hair, and the product just melt on her hair. It is super light. Look how shiny her hair is. Look how healthy her hair looks. And we did not have any breakage or minimal breakage. That means that we could not see the breakage during the blow drying process. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a protective style after this. But guys, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Let me know, like I said, if you have tried this recipe, and also try to do scalp massage in between. I'm going to share with you my recipe in another video that I use for scalp massages that helps to stimulate the blood flow midweek and on weekends. So guys, definitely keep watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, for sharing this video. Share it with your natural hair friends because everybody needs to know. Until next time, remember guys, Jesus loves you, so be very good. See you in another live stream or video.